Hi there, my name is Henry Bechelet and I work for ICL, and this time we thought to talk about the establishment of sports pitches after seeding. At ICL we understand the importance and unique challenges involved in establishing winter sports surfaces after seeding. That's why we've developed a wide range of products that provide comprehensive nutrition to help maintain plant health, promote root development, and also ensure consistent growth through the establishment process. Our winter sports package includes some of the following products. Okay, so firstly, we've got the ProTurf 15-5-15 plus calcium and magnesium, which contains a complete macronutrient package with a 2 to 3 month release period for the coated nitrogen. This front-loaded formulation also contains a proportion of conventional nitrogen to drive establishment at this important early stage. The ProTurf also contains the mineral polyhalite for improved colour and growth response. This product is designed to encourage sward development and is ideally applied 2 to 3 weeks after seeding, which would normally coincide with the initiation of mowing. The ProTurf 15-5-15 delivers excellent results, providing all the necessary nutrients for optimal growth during the critical establishment phase. Okay, so secondly, another option might be the Sierra Blend Plus 19-5-18, which is a 3-month release fertilizer but contains a higher proportion of coated nitrogen, 85% in this case. And this fertilizer has been specifically designed to maximize nitrogen use efficiency, which is particularly crucial for winter sports surfaces established on sand-dominated root zones where leaching can pose a significant risk. The release of nutrient from the 19-5-18 is designed to prevent any drop-offs in nutrient delivery during this important early establishment phase. And the consistent release of nitrogen ensures even growth, but also helps promote root development compared to purely conventional sources. Now, of course, strong root development is a vital attribute for pitches at this stage, as it helps with the production of healthy and stable playing surfaces during the season. We find that during the establishment process, pushing too much top growth can sometimes come at the expense of root development. So, to strike the right balance, we generally recommend a sort of balance between conventional and controlled release technologies, along with suitable aeration and appropriate moisture management, of course. In extreme situations, we might also recommend the use of proven biostimulants, including VitalNova SMX, Blade, and Lynx, to provide an extra focus on stress relief and root development. So these winter sports establishment products all aim to help you deliver necessary nutrients to maintain plant health and encourage robust root development, and also achieve that all-important consistent growth pattern through the establishment phase. This will help you create a durable and high-performance playing surface that will be able to withstand the demands of play during the playing season. We hope that you can trust ICL for all your winter sports pitch establishment needs.